Hi friends, this video shows how to fix mobile network problems. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Go to general management. Tap here. Go down. Tap on reset. Go down. Tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap here. Tap on reset settings button. Enter screen lock password. Tap on this reset button. Done. See the message. Network settings reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings. That's all. After this reset operation, you can check mobile network. That should work. So this way we can reset mobile network settings and fix all mobile network problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.